Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the server your friends are currently in Heartopia. So you're able to see that by pressing the windmill icon here. And you'll see whoever is in town, as you can see. And you're going to want to select the town you want to join. So for instance here, just press joins. You can also search for all towns and join like a random town if you'd like to. You can also enter the town ID your friends are in. They can give it to you via their like watch. They're able to see, like, I think in like the settings area, they're able to see their town code. So yeah, you can like refresh it here as well. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.